This is the DURATECH 20V Oscillating saw. It's got 20 modes. It's got a 3-degree variable pitch. It's got I can't remember the amount of speeds, like 10 different speeds or something. There's 6. Yeah, it's 6. It's a 6-speed. And honestly, this thing is awesome. I never really knew I needed an oscillating saw until I got one, and then just the ways that I've been using it has been so helpful, and it's saved me a big headache. Because I like to do my own little repairs and modify stuff, and this comes it's perfect for like when I'm like cutting something and there's, let's say it's plastic, and there's like a little piece that I need to remove because I want to modify it. This thing, I can just turn it on, and you just literally just slide it like underneath right there, put it some pressure, zzz, and it gives you a nice flush cut and removes whatever's there. It works great. I mean, it's really simple to use. Comes with a bunch of accessories, like 60 parts or something. It comes in a nice little carry bag, and it gives you all this stuff. I don't have it here because I actually been using it, so you can see, yeah, the bag is over there somewhere. But battery life is great. I've charged it once. I've been using it a bunch, and I don't have any power issues, so I don't think it needs to be charged yet. So that's definitely a plus. Oh wait, is that a battery indicator? Let's see. See, look at that. That's showing me I got a full battery, and I have literally used this thing about a dozen times at least. So I'd say the battery life is damn good. Functionality simple. This is your blade holder. You pull that up to unlock and change your stuff. On and off. That's all it is. I mean, obviously this is a power tool. This is not a child's toy or anything like that, so don't leave this sitting around for kids, so just be smart. It's got an open blade on there, and if they turn this thing on, they could definitely lose a body part, a finger or whatever. So just be careful to store this properly. I'm a bachelor with no kids, so I don't have to worry about that stuff. But you parents out there, be careful. This is not a toy. It's a power tool. So overall, I definitely recommend it. I think it's a great value, great working tool. Don't hesitate. All right, y'all. Cheers.